Hello everyone. Today we will explain how to use E Identifier ABN AMRO. First, connect the device by inserting your debit card into the E Identifier. Make sure the card is fully inserted and facing the correct direction. The device will turn on automatically and show a welcome screen. Next, select the action you want to perform. Press the number 1 button if you want to log in to your internet banking account. Press the number 2 button if you want to send an order, like making a payment or transfer. The screen on the E-Identifier will confirm your choice and give you instructions for the next step. After selecting your action, follow the prompts on the E-Identifier and on your computer screen. The device may ask you to enter your debit card PIN. Carefully type in your PIN on the E-Identifier. Then the device will show a response number. This is a unique code for this login or transaction. Look at your computer screen and enter this response number where it asks for it. Once you enter the response number correctly, your login will be confirmed or your payment will be approved. You can then continue to use your internet banking as usual. Thanks for watching.